audio recording.
Videoizing.
We're good here.
Cool. I was thinking about what to do next. Crab legs.
Crabbies.
It's a really sweet meat, so crab legs. So welcome back to Bod Bbq. Today we're doing these gigantic, colossal crab legs. These things are absolutely awesome. They're like $26, $27 a pound, and you can see we got quite a few pounds here, about 5-6 pounds.
Yeah, sounds about right.
You can normally steam these. You can use all different flavorings and things like that to steam them inside. You can bake them. Today we're gonna be grilling them out on our PK360. But first, I'm gonna prep them so that when we grill them, we can get a little bit of char on there and we can serve them immediately. So you can see that these are already cooked. They're gonna cook these right on the boat and they're gonna flash freeze them, so that's how they come over. So we're gonna be breaking this down a little bit. You can see there's a few joints here. Anywhere you're gonna want to separate this is gonna be right at the joint. So I'm gonna crack it right here and pull. And see these little fins that come out? That's the stuff that tends to make crab a pain in the ass to eat. So I'm gonna take this, slice that right off. Be careful, these are spiny. Those are a pain in the ass. There we go. I'm gonna do the same thing with the knuckle here. This is where all that lump crab meat is. I mean, if you feel that, that's all loaded with really good crab meat. I'm also gonna separate this. So we're gonna have 3 sections here that we're going to be able to cook up and apply a little bit of our butter mixture, and we'll be able to serve it in these sections. Now it's still a little bit of a pain to eat these, so we're gonna do some prep on these that just makes it a little bit easier. You can see here we have this awesome piece. We're gonna start cutting it without cutting the meat. I'm gonna cut it right down about 2/3 of the way. I'm gonna go a few centimeters over to the other side, and be careful with this. And I'm gonna start curving this in a bit. And then right here, I'm gonna cut straight across. Now the reason that I'm doing this is, I wanna get some char on the actual lobster. Oh my God, it's not a lobster.
It's not a lobster.
Okay, so the reason that I'm doing this is I wanna get some char on this actual crab meat, and I want that butter mixture to get down in here, right around this crab. You can see, I'm gonna separate it a little bit. And this is gonna be so good, succulent. It's already sweet. We're gonna continue on. I'm gonna do that and expose all of these. Now these thinner ones, I'm not really gonna cut the piece out of it. That's only for those money mussels. These, I wanna just kind of split open so that they have a little bit more opportunity to get some of that butter down into them. You can see these are gonna be great big pieces of meat as well. And then the knuckle, I'm gonna leave that alone. We're just gonna apply to the outside. So I'm gonna go ahead and continue on with all of these, get them all broken down, and then you'll see us out at the grill. All right, so we're out at the PK360 and we're about to put these crab legs on. Now what I wanna do first is get our butter mixture going. We're gonna be making a citrusy butter mixture here, and I'm gonna start with a ton of butter.
A good beginning.
A good beginning, yeah. So I've got about 1 3/4 sticks of unsalted butter. It'll melt down very quickly. So we're just gonna be adding this butter, letting it melt down a bit. And the cool thing about having this pan over here is we always have an indirect side. While this is melting down, I have 2 lemons and I'm just going to squeeze the juice in. Let it run through your hand so you can catch any of the seeds. There's one. Oh, that one just got 3. Put this back over here, nice and heated down. We don't have any garlic. I need my garlic. I'm gonna add 4 cloves of minced garlic. I got about 3.5 here. That was a really small one. And this is a monster. Boosh. Now to this, I'm gonna add just a sprinkle of cayenne pepper. So hot. We're gonna add about a teaspoon or so of this twisted Cajun spice. Boosh. And I'm gonna bring over my salt and pepper in equal parts. I'm just gonna add a pinch for now, maybe a pinch and a half, and a pinch of pepper to taste. And we'll check that out in a minute. All right, let's pull that over here to the safe zone. Give it a little mix.
Looks amazing.
Looks good. Let's get this off. All right, we're gonna start throwing in our crab. We're gonna do these in batches. Now we want to make sure that this butter mixture is getting down here into the sides. We want to get it all over the shells. Really,
yeah, get that crabby.
yeah, drench it down.
What does the butter do on the actual shell?
Just colors it up a little bit. You'll see that here in a sec. It'll brown the shell a bit. And I'm going to start putting these right here to heat up.
Ooh.
Yep. And we want these to get kissed with the fire. We don't want to burn them though.
Wow.
Yeah, this jealous devil is no joke. Okay, I'm going to pull that one off to the side. We just want to keep the drizzle on it.
Ooh.
And I'm going to continue adding some more of this onto here. So now that these have enough char on them, we want to keep them off to the side. We want to bring them up to temp and get some more of the other ones on here. Let's concentrate on some of these knuckles. So I'm going to brush them first. Cool.
Round 2.
Yep. Just getting that based all over all of this. Make sure it's getting down there into the shell. Put some char onto these bad boys. And we'll bring the other ones over here to start heating up.
What a beautiful sight.
Yeah. The ones that are sitting off the flame a bit. Alright. Take a little temp, see where we're at. Perfect.
We want 140.
Yeah. And we don't want to burn these. Yeah, these are getting too charred. I'm going to pull these off. Alright, 140 in that one. That one's not quite there yet. As these start coming up, I'm just going to take them off. Start getting these over here into the friend zone.
Into the red devil zone.
Yeah. The jealous red
or the
devil.
jealous devil.
The red devil. Just going to let these, oops, I'm going to let these heat up a little bit more. All right, checking it again. We're getting closer, creeping. About 10 more degrees on that one. Oh, that one's done. Oops, just a little overdone. A few more degrees on that one. Okay, good to go. Yeah. It's got to be getting there now. Almost still. All right, these have enough char. I'm going to bring these over. Oh, that one's good to go. Okay.
Yep.
And like I said, these were already cooked. We're just bringing them up to eating temps. These are all way too good. These are all coming off.
Yeah. Don't waste any of that loveliness.
Goodness. Yep. That's nice. Yeah, these still have a ways to go. All right, the last of these are done. We're gonna take these off. Let's get a little bit more char right on the top of that one. This one's good.
Oh, the lone crab.
All right, as you can see, we are down to this lone survivor. Whoop. I just took off. I'm saving that. Just trying to get some more heat in there.
This is something that you have to sit by the entire time. You can't walk away from this.
Oh yeah, totally.
Yeah, this
Can't
is
walk away from
definitely
this one.
constant flipping, changing,
The butter
moving
really
around.
sets it off,
Yeah.
but it's gonna be good. Where are we at here? Yep, we're good.
All right.
All right, crab done. We're gonna bring these inside, let them rest while we cook up some steaks so we can have an awesome surf and turf. Okay. Okay, ready? As you can see, we just pulled these crab legs off of the grill and they are smelling incredible. And we're gonna try them out. We got that nice char on there. Oh, they look so good. I wanna pick one of these babies right here. Let's see, where's the one I have my eye on? I know, I'm digging for it. No, is it this one? Yeah, this one.
Oh my goodness.
I know, I'm picky about it, but I just wanted to. Now, some drawn butter would be perfect for this, but since we had that butter drizzling on there, it should have everything you need to make this succulent. Look at that giant hunk of burning love.
So good.
So good. Unbelievable. I cannot wait to try these with our steak. This is going to be the perfect surf and turf meal. Want to try?
Yeah. Yes. Yes, I do.
Awesome. You definitely have to try this one out. This is an incredible meal. Of course, you're not going to have it all the time. Crab legs are a pricey meal, but the taste, unbeatable. When we eat these with our ribeyes tonight, it's going to be so incredible. It's just so much flavor. The meat is sweetening it. That drizzle of the butter and the garlic just sets it off. It's perfect. You definitely have to try these out. If you like these videos, go ahead and subscribe. We'd really appreciate it. We love that people are enjoying our videos, and if you want to see more of them, hit the notification button and we'll keep putting them out. Thanks for watching.